Hello friends, and thank you for watching. Here's a fun question which I plan to solve in 3 different methods using 3 different recordings. The question is, given that 1 over x equals 4 and 1 over y equals 7, solve for xy over x plus y. And this recording I'm doing method 1. So there I rewrote the question, 1 over x equals 4, 1 over y equals 7. Solve for x times y over x plus y. I start off writing 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 4 plus 7. That makes sense. 1 over x equals 4, 1 over y equals 7. And what I do is now I simplify left and right. I find a common denominator of xy. So this becomes y over xy, because that's the same as 1 over x. The bottom's multiplied by x, the top is multiplied by x. So it's y over xy plus x over xy equals 4 plus 7 is 11. And now we join in this common denominator is xy. So it's x plus y over xy. I just chose to put the x first, equals 11. Now remember, we want to reach this pattern. So we flip it upside down. If x plus y over xy equals 11, I invert it. I flip top and bottom. Remember, 11 is the same as saying 11 over 1. So if I flip the left, I flip the right. xy over x plus y equals 1 over 11. That's method 1. Please stand by for method 2. And thank you.